Hello and welcome. In this episode, we're showing to you another circuit implementing Arduino and Bluetooth connection. And this circuit consists of Arduino Mini Pro connected to the HC06 Bluetooth module and reading the data from MPU6050 motion sensor, 3D accelerometer and 3D gyroscope. And this is a very useful motion sensor, and it's used in many applications. So let's see the connection here and see some notes on that connection. First, let's see the circuit connection. The circuit is very simple. Arduino Pro Mini connected to the Bluetooth module using this normal serial port, and the Bluetooth module is connected to VCC and ground. Of course, the Arduino Pro Mini connected to VCC and ground. And here, the MPU connected to VCC and ground also, but it's connected to Arduino Mini using the serial protocol I2C. And this is a serial protocol using relatively high speed, about 400 kilohertz, to transfer data between the modules. I've seen so many circuits connecting only those 4 pins: VCC, ground, SCL, SDA. So I've connected only those 4 pins. But in other circuits, they also connected the interrupt pin and the AD0. For AD0, it's about the address. You can use up to 2 motion sensor units on the same bus, so you can connect 2 sensors to Arduino and assign this pin here to 0 and on one accelerometer and 1 on another accelerometer. But here we are connecting using only one accelerometer, so we didn't connect it because it's by default 0. And here is another pin for the interrupt. It's usually connected to Arduino, but we didn't connect it yet because there are many types of reading data from the accelerometer. One way is that you read the raw data, and that's the project we will start with because it's the most simple project. And then we'll try the more complicated project, which is you can read not only the raw data, but you also read the more sophisticated data called the digital motion processed data, which you can use the degrees for the motion sensor, the degrees of motion, and also those data will be compensated for the sensor error. So this complicated way of reading uses the interrupt pin and that we will use in another example. So we will start with this simple one. Here we connect the Arduino Pro Mini. As you know, it doesn't have USB port, so we use the FTD USB to serial converter, FTD232, and here is the connection with Arduino, the FTD and the Arduino Mini Pro. Here is the connection pins, and finally we connect the battery, 3.7 lithium polymer battery. We connected to the circuit, and then we will upload the software and get the results, and we will soon show it to you. That's all about the circuit connection and those things about it. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.